The assistive technology program here at the National Processing Center is a pilot program where we're taking an off-the-shelf product, the TAP Total Access Port, and we are trying to implement that within an existing work environment where we are taking employees that both have a disability of some type as well as employees that do not have a disability, and we're trying to give them the technology to be able to use voice-activated commands to replace the keyboard and mousing requirements.
The OCC codes.
Total Access System was developed to overcome a major problem that occurs with making computers accessible, and that is we have no control of the target system that we're working with. And the software keeps changing, the models keep changing, and so people are continually having to update what they've added. With this approach, we make one solution for the person that will work for any computer they need to be able to use in the workplace.
GSA is very keen on this research because we know that existing in the government today is, again, an inadequate approach that really fails to provide many federal employees with disabilities the type of stable work environment that they need to be effective team members.
The Census Bureau really has always been in the forefront of the development of breakthroughs in information technology. We do have a mission for handling the nation's information, and that is a huge job, and it requires breakthroughs to handle increasing volumes of data as we've done over 2 centuries.
Right now we have in place and using for a mobility problem a head tracking system that fits on top of the head and actually moves the cursor. We also have a foot mouse that you can click instead of hitting enter or saying the word enter. We also have a microphone that fits on the head and that receives verbal commands. Industry 467.
The voice recognition software is drag and dictate and naturally speaking software. It enables the disabled person to give a voice command, and the voice command acts like a keyboard being typed or a mouse being clicked, depending on the command given. We have IT support here at NPC that, as we recognize solutions to problems or recognize problems, become involved in the process.
One of my visions for this technology and this pilot project is to be able to take this environment that we've developed, the pilot environment, and build on that, partner with other federal agencies so that we can make this technology available for anybody who needs it.
This is a breakthrough in how human beings interact with information, and it's very appropriate since we are establishing a new national goal of having people with disabilities be able to access our data and information on the same basis as everybody can.
Just to see someone with the problem, a mobility problem, be able to do the work, to be able to incorporate it into the unit just like anybody else, that's very, very pleasing to me.
I have believed for the last 15 years that this is the most logical way to provide access in a totally generic and universal way. And so I just ask people to approach it with an open mind and start working on ways to add to the technology by working out new ways that people can interact with the environment around them.